Hi, I'm Dr. Brent, and I'm from Placerville, California, and just loving the laser allergy machine. Yeah, getting great results in our office. One lady, for example, she was every time she would drive down into the city in Sacramento, she would break out and just have these allergic reactions every time she'd drive out down into the city. And after years, having problems for years, she's no longer having the problems. Other cases, people having certain allergies for several years that aren't having the problems anymore. And phenomenal tool, and recommend it to anyone.
So Christine, what kind of medications were you taking prior to seeing me for your allergies?
Oh dear. Zyrtec, Claritin, Benadryl, steroids.
Were you taking those every day?
Every day. I took the Claritin in the morning, the Zyrtec at night, the steroids through the day, and always kind of made me feel like I was a space cadet.
Okay. Did you ever do any allergy shots?
I did. I had shots for 5 or 6 years before in a row, and I was treated. I went to the allergist 3 times a week 1 year, and I just had horrendous allergy attacks. It's been terrible. I dread every April.
Did any of that seem to help you?
It didn't over the year. In fact, I actually got worse as I got older.
Okay. Now, how do you feel now after doing my laser allergy treatments?
It's amazing. I was very skeptical at first. I thought I've tried everything, and it's just unbelievable to me that I'm halfway through my treatments, and already I awake in the morning with absolutely no symptoms. And the morning was my worst time. And it's wonderful. It's a dream come true.
Wow, and just a couple treatments already.
Yes.
Great.
It's just been amazing. I want to tell everybody because it's changed my life. All those drugs I can be off of now, that's a good thing for me.
Great. Well, I'm glad to hear you're doing better.
Thank you. Thank you for all your help.
I had kind of an eczema type eruption, and over the past 2 to 3 years it continued to get more and more. And after the first treatment I started seeing improvement, and each one there was more improvement, and by the 7th one it's all gone completely.
Okay, so let's explain to people what happened after you used the laser allergy relief system, and did it change your reactions to cats?
Very definitely. I used to have a problem whenever I visit anyone with cats that my eyes would swell up. In fact, once I pet a cat and I put my finger near my eye and my eye swelled completely shut and felt like it had sand, grains of sand in my eye. And tears were flowing out of my eye. On other occasions when I don't touch cats at all, I still get congested, and I feel like my sinuses are swelling up, or just not feeling very comfortable around cats. And this weekend I went and visited my sister, who has 2 cats in residence, and I was sleeping with a cat on the bed that she made for me because I think I was trying to usurp the position of the cat. And I pet the cat, and the cat was purring, and I had no additional symptoms from being allergic to cats.
So could you recommend the LZR7 laser allergy relief system to other people then?
I certainly would, because it's no fun being allergic to cats and being around them.
Thank you.
I've tried just about everything. Nothing ever seems to do anything with these allergies or the hay fever. And I thought, we'll give it a try. So we started the treatments. Probably by the 3rd or 4th treatment, I was really seeing an effect. It's been pretty amazing. It's been it's really been a change, going through a whole summer without being completely miserable from any type of plant that might be blooming at the time, and going through fits of sneezing or having runny noses, just feeling completely worn down because my allergies just kicked my butt, to having a summer where I have virtually nothing. I get a sniffle every now and then. I get an occasional sneeze here and there, but it's dramatically changed the whole way my summer has gone, and even now into the late summer with cottonwoods and everything else, I should be miserable right now. It's a strange feeling to drive down the street, see cottonwood seeds everywhere, and I'm not miserable with puffy red eyes and sneezing and just being miserable and being miserable when I get home and being a pain in the butt to my entire family. But so I would I can't say enough about this treatment. It's worked really well beyond anything I expected, and I would certainly recommend it to anyone who's looking for something that can possibly help with their allergies.